Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. A couple days ago, went over to the Mercedes dealership to grab some genuine Mercedes parts. And while there, I came across this awesome car. It's a rally car from the past, a blast from the past. This car was parked in a barn here in Massachusetts in 1979 and forgotten about. And then the property was sold recently, and in doing so, the new owner, upon exploring the barn, found this car covered in 30 plus years of dust. Anyway, let's take a look at this car and find out a little bit more about the history, who owned it, what it was used for, the maintenance on the car, the year, make, and model. Of course, it's a Mercedes. Hey, but before we get started, I know you've been meaning to subscribe, so do that now. Thanks. So guys, this 1965 190 Fintail was recently found in a garage in Burlington, Massachusetts, and hadn't moved since 1979 when its original owner passed on. He was a Brandeis professor who did his own maintenance and used the vehicle in driving rallies and also as his daily driver. In tribute to its original owner, Mercedes-Benz of Burlington and European Auto Solutions jointly restored this vehicle in the spirit of the famed Mercedes-Benz Fintail rally cars of the 1960s. If you want to see this car, head over to Mercedes-Benz of Burlington, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.